Hey guys, look what I found. So for Q1 was exhausting. Let's start there. After assigning homework that some students would not complete, it was hard because now you had parents asking, "Hey, Mrs. Taliaferro, what do the students have to do?" I was going in on Dojo every day, putting assignments on Dojo so parents were able to access it, parents and students. And even then, some students still were not doing assignments. And so I would grade my assignment, then find out the ones who did not complete the assignment, then send each individual parent private messages saying, "Hey, your child did not complete this assignment," with a link for them to get it done. And then I would have maybe one or two students completing those. And so when I go into grade those again, I have to check again to see who did not. And I was doing this for every subject. It was exhausting. And then I thought, hey, why not try to find a better mousetrap? And here it is. Super excited. What I've done is downloaded a calendar from Canvas. And this is for this week. My calendar is for November, which isn't until next week. So this week I've put some emojis in. All students have to do each day is to click on an emoji or a date, and it will take them straight to their assignment. Alrighty, so let's see. Yesterday was Monday, and it was right here in Canvas. So I grabbed a link from Canvas and attach it. So when they click on that, it takes them there. Tuesday, today, their assignment is in Savas EasyBridge, where it will take them to their own credentials. They have to log in to get to the assignment. Tomorrow, they will be on Canvas again for social studies. On Thursday, they're on Epic. But guys, the beauty of this is everything is right here. On Friday of this week, they are in ReadWorks. It's what is heat? So I'm going to walk you through, if you like the idea, walk you through having students do an activity a day. And Cumberland County Schools says, hey, give them 5 days to complete the assignment. I usually give 10 to 15 days. And I still was accepting late assignment pieces. I'm trying to see how not to be repeating Q1. So what I did from here, I went to Commons. Then I typed in November calendar. And the variety popped up. They are listed by grades. This is grades 9 to 12, all grades. So I went through and saw the ones that I liked. And what was the deciding factor for me? This is pretty. What was the deciding factor for me was here. This one had 1.2 thousand downloads, which means that people were loving it. This was cute. This is cute, but I don't know if it has fault or maybe it's new, because the newer ones will have less downloads. So clicked on my calendar. Then I imported and decided, hey, where do I want my calendar? I imported my calendar, the one my students have access to. It's on my activity room, which I'm about to show you in a short while. But I'm going to put it in my sandbox. My sandbox is named videos because that's where I wanted to put my videos. And then I discovered that my students don't have access to my sandbox. So I'm going to put it in my sandbox. And then I'm going to import. Oh no, I forgot to wait until it said it was successful. Go back here to my sandbox and look, there's nothing there. You want to click on pages. Here it is, November. I went ahead and I renamed mine. So here it is. Go to edit. I called mine November's assignments. Easier for students. And what I did, I save after every step. What I did was I just went in, I put some emojis for this week. So after school, so I may jump over here and I used cool emoji. That's the one with the sunglasses. Images. Let's try this one. Copy the image and then I just, has to be in edit mode, guys. Edit. And today is Tuesday. Try for Wednesday. So I just paste and nothing is happening. And I have no idea why. Let's see if we can get another one. There we go. So as I said to you guys before, I save after every step because I don't want to mess anything up. So my emoji is in for Wednesday. And then I want to grab, say on Wednesday, I want to grab a Kahoot game. That's what I want them to do on Wednesday. I'm going to open my tab, head over into Kahoot. I want to log in. And after I've logged in, I want to go ahead and create a game. Create a game. And because it's not a live game, it's self-paced. Let's go discover. And we're doing matcha now. So let's see what we can find. And I'm just going to grab a random video. Which of the following objects? All right. I'm just for this demonstration's sake, I'm going to play, assign, and I usually use the longest due date. So I don't have anybody asking me for turning off my timer, so they have time to think. Once I've created that Kahoot game, I can come right here and grab the link. Copy URL. That's the link that you want. It's copied. I go back to my calendar, edit mode, and then right here for my emoji, you want to click that box and then link to URL. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to paste your link right there. Insert link. Once that yellow box flashes, turns yellow, means it was linked. So again, you want to save. So one student, and I'm going to close this Kahoot so you can see that one student's click on Wednesday, it's going to take them straight to the Kahoot game. Each student will have their own, so you have to enter your nickname to join. And there you go. So all students really have to do is click on a link and then get going. I'm not playing, this is just for show, but I'm going to go back on my canvas. That one was in my sandbox. What I did, because it's on pages, where did it go? There you go. I did this and then I called it assignments. I'm not sure that's what I did, but that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to save that page. Once I do that, let's try this, pages. I want to link it to a module. So I'm going to go into modules. I want to go into modules. I'm going to create a module, assignments. Let's see if this works. Let me see if I go back to pages. It's just a page. Oh, I got it. When I go to pages, where is it? November's assignments. I'm just going to copy. So I'm going to right click, not right click. I'm just going to click here where the 3 dots are, and I'm going to copy to. So once I copy to, begin to select course. I want it right here in my sandbox. It's not published. My sandbox is not published. I have to publish my sandbox in order to show you how to move it. There you go. All right, let's go back in there. So I'm going to go right back to pages. I'm going to find my calendar. It's right here. And I'm going to copy to. All right, I can't copy it to my sandbox because that's my play area. So I'll just go right into my own. So I've created or recreated my homeroom to be my video room. So this is where this is where I house my videos that I've created for my students. So it has whatever videos I want to roll out to them. It also has their assignments. What I was saying to you earlier, because this is one module, another module, and so I create my modules like that. You would just click on copy to. Once that comes up, you tell which course you want to send it to. What if I wanted to send it to my conduct? I could select conduct, and my conduct is empty. ELA. And then you tell which of the modules you want to attach it to. So you wanted to, I don't know, whichever module you wanted to. And then you would click on that module, September 14 to 18, place it at the top, before, wherever, and then your calendar would slide right there. So all my students have to do is click on the calendar and click on the dates. It's ongoing, so some days will not be linked just yet because I'm still playing with it. But what I plan on doing is grabbing this link right here and sharing it on Dojo. So students know the name of the activities. All they have to do is to click on the day that they got the assignment. It takes them right to it. Something that I've learned, is that if I give an assignment today's Tuesday, I don't go check on the assignment. I may check before the end of the week. I may check again on the 3rd to remind those persons who have not started that activity. But I don't go integrate that activity until probably the 10th or even the weekend of the 13th, just to get everybody there. But this, to me, will give students more, or hold students more accountable and make them more responsible for their learning. I know when I rolled it out to my students this morning, they loved it, loved it, loved it, loved it. I hope it works for you. As per usual, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I can walk you through if you need that. I guess have a great day.